Hello! Heading over to East Coast Park now because today we got nothing on. So let's go! Go! Jumping on the bed. Jumping on the bed. Alright， 终于到 East Coast Park 了。耶！那边，没有 ，say hello。耶！ Yay! So today we're gonna rent this bike because mommy is heavily pregnant now. She cannot take her own bike. Maybe can you show Papa where's the bicycle? Where's the bicycle? Huh? Where's the bicycle? Where's the bicycle? So curious.
Slowly.
Yay! We got our bike. Yay! Maybe say hello. Hello. Hey, hello everybody.
Hello.
Well, this is our first time on a family bike. Right, Nivea? La 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 la. Very beautiful day today. Weather is really good. Not too hot. Also,
Quite windy also.
yeah, quite windy. The sky is good. Doesn't look like it's raining. Get all the water. Nivea! Nivea, are you having fun? Nivea, are you having fun? Are you having fun, Mom? Wow! Nivea, there's a bird.
What? You can put.
Give it now.
Yeah. You can go.
Come, Janelle. Can you tell us about the history of Bedok Jetty?
How do I know? I also never started.
很多人在那边钓鱼，有些钓到睡觉。
小心哦 The scooter is coming.
Hello， 妈妈，你是不是在准备一起拍照？嘿嘿嘿嘿。喂 ，come， 哎，
Turn
喂，
around. Dancing.
Eh?
Turn around. You sexy.
喂
Yeah, 你的。
喂，dancing，come to 爸爸。哇！
哎，那个 no dangerous 啊！
要上大油，快快快！加油！加油！加油！加油！加油！加油！哇！
加油啊！耶，两只手。
Look like it's gonna rain. Okay. Yeah. It is going to rain already. 要下雨了。Come here, baby. Who's mask? Come here, baby. Let's go. Okay, I shall end the video here because it's gonna rain. 拜拜。